dab on. And as you add more, it's going to give you is dogger finish. I mean doggers. Yes, it's dogger finish. But you can also doing it lighter as you wish. Dogger lighter is really up to you. So I'm gonna leave it right here. So this is number 11. Welcoming hooks. It's kind of a little bit of like kind of is orange colors. I really like it. It just looks so beautiful. And then we're gonna do is thinking green right next. You can do it right next to it. You can do it overlays with the overlap with the welcoming hooks. It's up to you. So I did two colors together. It's thinking green and welcome hooks. And I am going to need, this is crystal clear. And we are going to use this to definitely create the veinings and marble looks. So just really quick. And then you can see my piece of paper right here. All right, so you can see that I just clean the bristles here, so then that way you can remove a lot of the pigment off from the bristle before you dip it back into the crystal clear. You don't need to get another extras of the bristles or any other solution. The just only crystal clear, that's all you need. So I am going to just dab it, and then you can create it by dab it from the outside, like just tap like here, and then you are going toward to the middle. So then you can create the veins that you want. Doesn't matter if you want to be thick veins and thin. You can definitely create a lot of cool things, cool design with this. It's no limits of what you can do with the fusioning. And it's so easy to flow for you by just really a gently simple touch. Just tap and blend it. And you don't need a lot of it. Crystal clear, little go a long way. I'm so excited. I miss all of you. I'm so excited. We did this really cool tutorial last night. If you miss it, do not worry. I saved 1,000 of video there for you, so you can absolutely access this anytime you want. So you can create it so many different ways you want. You can stop at any point, anytime. And then if you want to move your veins however you want, you can make your veins bigger, thinner. Really, you can do so much with this. And this is one thing about this, is so simple that you do not have to struggle with, you know, creative veinings. You can see that basically my bristles have really little of a crystal clear. You don't need to do a lot. Little go a long way. Great. So I'm going to stop it right here. You see that how I cleaned the bristles, so then that way my crystal clears will not get contaminated, because we want to use a lot of others color. Okay, so let's do some of really cute, simple 2 petals of a 40 gel. So then you can stop it here and then do a no wipe top coat. Keep for 60 seconds and you'll be good to go. You can also add some of the Golden Touch painting. I'm going to add just a little bit, okay? Just give it a little hint, so then you can see the cute veinings. And then we're going to top coat it, and we're going to do a couple petals of a 40 gels. So I'm gonna just pick up the Golden Touch gel painting from the pot and give it just a little wiggles, like a little line. You don't have to do it like a perfect line, straight line. It's gonna be a natural looks. So if you can't get it soft, and then just really a gentle touch of your is twin tip brush. I'm just like move it really soft, and then it just does create all of the veinings for you. Okay, get closer, focus. Facebook, Instagram, it look like it's just All right. So Kia for flash Kia for 30 seconds. Somehow it's Facebook. It's just freezing there. Thank you, Mika. All right. So then now let's moving on to this. We're gonna add the top coat on after 30 seconds, and I'm gonna keep for 30 seconds only because we are going to using some cute. Is yellow sun or golden, doesn't matter. Here's the yellow sun colors and here is golden. So I'm going to go ahead and top coat it and keep for 30 seconds. Okay. And then we're gonna do a couple of cute like simple. This with the 40 gel, you have all the time in the world to create this fun, beautiful designs without have to worry about it's gonna set so fast. I'm gonna have like 2 colors, which is the deep green, and you don't need a whole lot for this. It's really cool that how you can create it so many design. All right, so 30 seconds is done. Hi Jasmine, how are you? Happy Wednesday. Sorry, a little bit of a technical difficulty for the Facebook and YouTube and Twitch. So we're gonna change that. But Instagram is still feeling really good. So I'm gonna do is just roll 1 bead, bigger bead. So this is really simple. It's gonna create something is cool, like the same looks as my nails. And I am going to place this right here, just right there. And now it's only simply you need is yours 40 gels brush. It's one end you using it for acrylic liquid and powder, and then the other ends you can use it for yours is 40 gel and also is a 5D gels. So I'm gonna press it down. Really simple. Press it out first, release, press and release, and then press on once on the right side, go in the others is press on the other side. And then it's really cool that it's just so simple. You don't have to wait until is you don't have to worry about it's gonna set, because it's not going to set until you are going to cure. So you have all the time in the world. You probably can, you know, practice and have fun with this and do it on your nails. Feel like tired, take a 5 minutes power nap, come back, it's still there. It's not going to set until you decide to let it set by keying it under LED lights. So press it down again. And it's the best part about, another best part about it, if you feel like you're not happy with this, you can definitely roll it back up and then do it again. So press down, really gentle. You don't want to be too aggressive. Press down. And then I'm gonna just like blend a little bit here so then we can have another petals here, okay? So down. And you're happy with this, you can see that how is simple it is. And then now you feel like, okay, you're happy with this, you like it, you can definitely flash gear for like maybe about 10 seconds, so then you can able to get it set first. Just in case you were touching it, you know. And here for 10 seconds. Hi, Angela. How are you? All right. So we're getting it back now. And I'm gonna using just a smaller size, smaller beads of the deep green. smaller. You can do it bigger as you want. It's really cool about this is you don't want big or small. You can definitely like roll it back up, and you can do how many is like how big the bead is up to you. So I'm gonna pick that, close this one. I use a golden touch and deep green, and like it right here. And again, you press it down. Don't need any solution, anything at all. It's just really cool about this. It's like it's tack free, like completely dry when you are going to cure. So you don't need to get any top coat or anything at all. All right, press it down, press it down. Really gentle press out. You don't have to be really aggressive. And then just go to the right, go to the left. Press it down. Using the tips of it and guide it to wherever you want. All right. Well, this is so cool and stunning. It's so super cool and stunning and simple. Okay. So now here's, I'm going to show you something is really cool. I am going to using, it's not clear yet, so it's still wet, so I'm going to using condensed glue gels and use one side the on my dot 2 from crystal pickers, and then give it just a little bit of the condensed glue gels right going on the top of the second petals right here, right, just right there. And then we're gonna add some no wipe top coat. You can do it absolute later, but I want to like really angle this down to the 40 gels. This with this beautiful, cute like top center. All right, so no wipe top coat on the top. Now we're gonna pick this cuties from the metal frame that we got from a Glow in the Dark Crystal Kits. One. Okay, angle it down. And then we are going to get one of this beauty right here. Okay. So now we're going to secure it, really simple, and then get it into the LED lamp for about 10 seconds. And then we're going to go ahead and using condensed glue gels. And we're going to apply like entire nails. Just a couple, we're going to put a couple of cute crystal on it. Because I don't want to cover our like a fusioning background here, which is a little bit right down here. And then I'm go ahead and top coat all the nails except top on the top of the 40 gel. No wipe top coat. On a couple of the crystal, and if you like it so much like this, just top coat and you are good to go. You don't have to top coat the 40 gel because 40 gels is already finished. Okay. I'm gonna add some purple. I like that. The glow in the dark give me the crystal kits give me so much of the ideas. That's about it. That's all I want. I just want like a couple of the beads. You don't have to put the beads on. You feel like you want just to let it be itself. And I love about this crystal, glow-in-the-dark crystal kits, because it's had all different colors, I mean all different sizes of the beads, so you can decide to get the smaller size or bigger size, however you want. I feel like Instagram is acting up as well, so I'm happy with this. We are going to Kiev for 60 seconds. The Instagram. Yes.